Good morning. I am thankful for this beautiful life, beautiful life, beautiful life. Thank you. My life is perfect and filled with endless joy and abundance. Abundance. I am grateful for the perfection in every aspect of my life. Thank you. My life is a perfect blend of love, happiness, and prosperity. Thank you, universe. Every day I experience the perfection of my life. My life is beautiful. My life is perfect and I am thankful for every moment. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. I live my perfect life with gratitude. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. My life is perfect and filled with beautiful moment and experience. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. I embrace the perfection of my life and all its blessings. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. My life is a perfect manifestation of my dreams. Thank you. I am grateful for the perfect harmony in my life. My life is perfect and I am at peace with myself. This video, like and share, and don't forget my channel subscribe. Please subscribe.